Welcome to Amber and TV with special guest Tracy Hines.
Hi.
And today we're gonna do a fun Disney face swap meme challenge. Yes!
Guess what we're doing today?
Oh, what?
Today we're doing a face swap challenge. You guys have to look at these face swaps, these Disney face swaps, and you cannot laugh no matter what.
Oh, that's gonna be hard.
Impossible.
Is it?
This is my hobby.
Have you seen these Disney face swaps?
This is my hobby.
They're crazy.
I never have.
This is how I spend my free time.
Well, today we're gonna see your reactions to these memes.
But we're not supposed to fully react, right? Because we're not supposed to laugh.
That's actually true.
But I laugh at everything.
But that's what the reaction is
was wrong.
laughter.
I'm a happy Eeyore.
Today we're gonna get your non-reactions.
Non-reactions.
Hopefully.
Ooh, challenge accepted.
Oh, okay.
Let's get started.
Okay,
All right, we ready?
a poison pufferfish.
I'm ready.
Ready, like I've always been.
First meme.
Oh, oh.
I can't look at it.
Oh my gosh, I just lost, so you're
20
in for
out
it.
of 20 out of 20 starfish.
I give that, I think that's hilarious. Hilarious. I give it like 5 steamed lobsters out of 5 steamed lobsters. Oh gosh, I'm nervous.
It's so funny.
That's what it would look like if they swap them. Whoa, what an expression.
These are all like 10 out of 10.
Oh my
for
gosh.
me.
I'll give it like 2 colors of the wind out of 2 colors of the wind. There you go.
The wonderful world of colors.
Oh, that was beautiful. Good job. Here we go. I'm not gonna laugh. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Oh no. Nope. No. I'm sorry.
How does that make you feel?
Oh my gosh, that makes me feel that Grumpy has a really grumpy face, and on a tiny little snow face is pretty hilarious.
Tiny little snow face.
Yeah. Okay, get to it.
Yes. Yes.
Oh my gosh.
I've seen this one many times, so I'm a little immune. But I would be crying if I saw this for the first time right now.
That's amazing.
Have you seen this before?
No, I haven't. The thing is that's a lot of eyeshadow on her. And I give it like 5 clams out of 5 clams. It's great.
Look how earnest Ariel.
I know.
Ariel.
Oh.
That's pretty good.
That's a good swap.
That's not making me laugh, it's just enjoyable.
Yeah, like the thing is the swappage from the left to the right and the
Genie like
teeth
kind of works.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean? Like
it works
just
like
like a mean genie.
Yeah, the thing is that we had the audacity to get that, yes. Oh. Whoa. That's amazing, actually. The thing is, the brows on the hair is kind of a nice
You can tell
tone.
they're in love.
I know, they're so in love.
Tracy loses this one.
I totally lose.
I think I get it. You know what? That won the ocean pearl. I give it a lot of pearls. I give it a treasure chest of pearls and thingamabobs.
Oh.
I'll throw them in there. What? No way.
Me the other day in my white
never-
wig.
I never thought they would put her face on him. It made me laugh inside. It was great.
It made me laugh inside.
Yeah.
Not outside.
Not outside.
Just inside.
I give it half of my world.
Not
Like
you get part of your world.
part of no,
not all of
just
your
a
world.
half of the part.
Oh.
Yeah, one part. I'm not gonna laugh. Whoa. Oh my gosh.
It's so beautiful.
The thing is that it's
so
like nice
majestic.
and smooth because Pocahontas has such a beautiful face, and then just putting it on the villain, it's like whoop. It kind of looks like from Nightmare Before Christmas, the mayor.
Oh.
The,
Oh, I see it.
yeah,
I
the
see
mayor.
it.
Oh. Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
The
these
wild
are,
thornberries?
these are so good.
These are,
They
wait.
put his face on everyone.
Oh yeah,
and it's
I've seen
amazing.
that. You know
You
what?
should find the gifs of it. The
wow.
gifs where he moves.
That's so
Look at
crazy.
baby Tarzan.
Hi, wild thornberries. I used to watch the baby too.
Amazing.
Oh no. You know what? I wouldn't even think to, the thing is that these I've never seen before, and just even thinking of putting the villain on the heroine.
I've never seen this one before.
It needs some dental work.
That's
like,
amazing.
look, whoa!
She looks real tired.
Yes, she looks very tired.
Yeah.
Not much of a
She's been around the block.
Meg. she's an alternate Meg there. With those chompers. Woo! Whoa. Oh, that's another Meg shot. Look at that with the schnoz.
Yeah.
Very good.
That's also majestic.
Yes, very majestic with the mustache. It doesn't match the hair. I think if it matched the hair, I'll give it a good, nice Hercules fist pump.
Would you be her friend?
You know what? She could be my friend. Oh no, I don't think I can handle this. I don't think I can handle.
I believe in you.
You can? Okay. Whoa.
That was pretty good.
LeFou and Gaston? You know what?
It's like not.
He looks like LeFou and he acts like LeFou.
Yeah.
Is he him or is he you? I am LeFou in Gaston's body. Oh, Moana! What do you think about the switch there?
It's beautiful.
I think it's quite beautiful, actually.
Beautiful.
Yes. But the thing is, Moana is such an awesome princess, and just switching it with, oh my gosh, I can't.
I'm here for this.
I'm here for this. And
Rating?
rating
10 out of 10 starfish.
Yeah, you know, I give it a 10 pukas out of 5 chickens. That's what I'll do.
Hey, Hayes?
Hey, Hayes. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, that's what I say.
Yes.
Whoa.
It's beautiful.
The thing is, that's very nice. The thing is, you wouldn't even...
He's a very pretty man.
Yeah, very pretty man. I love the lipstick.
He's a pretty boy.
Good shade there.
Yeah.
Eyeliner that could cut anybody.
Yeah.
What does it look like they would be named?
Oh, I think, well, maybe, I just don't know. They're a good duo. It's great. Yeah, but it has a nice shade of lipstick.
I was trying to be kind.
All right, and the results are in. The winner is Tracy.
Oh, thank you so much. I want to thank my
I could see you holding in your laughter,
Well
but
deserved.
Amber actually let it out.
I just can't. I find it funny.
I've been working on my acting skills, you know.
She is the champion.
What do I win?
You probably get a crown, a princess crown, or
hungry.
was it apple? Or would you like candy?
Yeah.
Candy? Are you sure? Yeah. What's the magic word? There you go. Oh, well, thank you guys for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe, and head over to Tracy's channel, subscribe and see her videos, and also comment down below, what's your favorite Disney name?
You know, I'm a meme.
What?